I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the Golden Cloud Plus, the PR511, so stay tuned. When you get your Golden PR511, it's going to be in a box like this, on a pallet most likely. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab our knife. We're going to cut these straps that are holding it to the pallet. Remember to cut upward and not down into the chair. From here, we should be able to take this lid off. Then we have these side supports we can remove. From here, we should be able to lift the box up. And this exposes the chair that is covered in this protective wrap. And up on top, this is your backrest. I'm going to go ahead and remove this and set it to the side. I'm going to keep it in the wrap for now just to protect it. But this is the base of the chair. So now from here, I'm going to take this, this is our charger. I'm going to take this off. It's hanging here. Get this out of the way. And then we're going to get this off the pallet. This is kind of heavy and kind of bulky, so I would recommend a second person. So we're just going to lift it up and then get it off the pallet. And now I'm going to take a moment to clean up a little bit and we will get to the actual assembly of the chair. Now I've got a lot of the packing material away. I'm going to go over some of the accessories that come with this chair. We do have our charger right here that was attached down there. One cool thing about this chair is the storage that's underneath the arms. So on this side, we've got our remote control. And it looks like they give you a coffee mug. Because on this side, there's actually a cup holder built in. And the mug will fit right in there. On this side, we have our tray table. Looks like this. This is a post. This is actually our reading light, which is really cool. On this side is also the owner's manual. And it looks like we have our heat wave. This is an infrared heating system built into this unit. This is your heat wave remote. Now we're going to attach the back onto the unit. I do recommend a second person for this. It's not too heavy, just kind of awkward. So we're going to slide these right into these posts here. And it should click. So once it's in, you can pull up to see if it has latched in there. And this one is good. So here is your charger that you get from the box. This is the battery that is removable. It just slides in here, but you're not going to slide from the back. You want to kind of slide from the middle in. It won't connect if you do it from the back. And then we have this little port right here. Is going to go into your, there's a loose cable down here, and I'm going to run it underneath. And then once you connect it, you just attach that down. It only goes one way. There we go. And this is your battery backup. So if your power goes out, you can still operate the chair. This will give you enough juice to run it and get out of it, so you're not going to be stuck in the chair. This end will just go into a standard wall outlet. From the back here, these are your two actuators, and then there's two corresponding plugs. The red plug goes into the one with the red tape on it. Same concept, it only goes one way. And you're going to close this little latch down. Then the black goes into the black one. We'll close that latch down as well. And finally, we have our back and foot controller that is already ran. I ran it on the inside underneath here. I don't want it getting anywhere near these moving parts. It goes right here, and then underneath there's a little red plug right where my finger is, and that's where that's going to go. It goes in upside down, and it just clicks in there. So now all of our wiring has been installed. Now that all our wires are hooked up, I'm going to show you some of the accessories. On the right hand side, here's your remote control. We have a couple preset functions that you can actually program. Then you have the different lumbar, headrest, backrest, legs. So that's your remote control. You have a cell phone charger right here. You just rest your cell phone on that. It's a wireless charger. You have this little port right here, and they give you a reading light. So this end of the reading light just screws in there, or more just kind of push it in. It's adjustable. Make sure it's all the way in. And all you do is you tap it. There's 2 brightness settings, so tap it, you get 2 different lights. The other one is our tray, and it comes with this. It was taped in there. We're just going to screw that in. And you don't have to have both of these open. You can have one closed. So same way, that just pushes in there, and you can spin it around wherever you want to. And on the left-hand side, we have the same thing. We have a cup holder, and then some storage, and then you have your heat wave controller. Or if you have massage, it would be in here as well. We got the heat wave option, so that's what that looks like. So once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Golden Cloud Plus, the PR511. If you want to order this unit, or if you have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.